You absolutely need to hear this. Just one thermal camera can redefine how you secure your factory, data center, or utility site. This isn't your typical surveillance gear. Today, we're unveiling the powerful truth behind the ACTi Thermal Camera, delivering full coverage and zero blind spots, 24/7. Stick around, your entire concept of security is about to evolve. Let's start with reach. The ACTi Thermal Camera detects up to 2,100 meters, covering wide perimeters in data centers, factories, and utilities. No matter the time or visibility, you'll see it all. Say goodbye to manual patrols and slash operation costs. Compared to access, you'll get more distance and save up to 50%. Serious range. Serious value. Next, clarity. With 640 by 512 thermal resolution, ACTi reveals heat patterns with precision, ideal for server rooms or welding zones. Spot risks like overheating early. Where access lacks clarity and charges more, ACTi delivers better detail at a smarter price. Third, need smart detection. ACTi's real-time AI analytics track intrusions, vehicles, and line crossings instantly. It's perfect for remote or unmanned areas, cutting false alarms and labor needs. Smarter than access, and far more cost-effective. ACTi also monitors temperature with pinpoint accuracy, great for transformers, server racks, or batteries. Set alerts, prevent breakdowns. It's predictive protection that access can't match, all at a lower cost. Fifth, choose your fit, bullet, turret, PTZ, or bispectrum. From cranes to narrow hallways, ACTi adapts to your site needs. Easy installation, wide adaptability, more flexible and affordable than access solutions. Lastly, sensitivity. With NETD as low as 35 mK, ACTi detects subtle thermal shifts in foggy, dusty, or low light spaces. It's your eyes where access often fails. Why settle for less? Upgrade your facility with ACTi Thermal Cameras, more power, more intelligence, and more savings than access. Click below to modernize your security and unlock next level protection now.